So today was a really busy day because I'm back from Korea after 15 days. I started in the morning as usual with a little bit of yoga.
Good morning.
Good morning.
सर ने अपना 100% दे रखा है।
बहुत मुश्किल है।
कैसा लगा आपको हमारी तरफ आके फिटनेस में?
It's a different world. Yeah. I'm surprised I never took a ticket and went there. Yeah. But the ticket is
और
quite
ये
tough.
हमारी ट्रेनर, ये हमारी योगा ट्रेनर। आज इनका इंटरव्यू होगा। हम बहुत बोलते हैं, अब आप बोलिए आज।
ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग। 1 साल से मैं मैम को योगा करा रही हूँ और मैं आई थी तो मैम तो अच्छा योगा करते हुए मिले, लेकिन सर मुझे जिम करते हुए मिले थे। लेकिन फिर बाद में मुझे पता चला कि मैम से ज़्यादा सर को ज़रूरत थी योगा की।
बड़ा चिकन नान खाते हुए
फिलहाल इट्स जोक का पार्ट। सीरियस नोट कि मैम और सर दोनों योग के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अभी डेडिकेटेड हैं। योगा बेसिक मेंटल हेल्थ, फिज़िकल हेल्थ और बाकी आप सबको पता है कि योगा के जो बेनिफिट्स हैं वो योग के बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। तो मैं बस यही कहूँगी कि सब लोग अपने बिज़ी लाइफस्टाइल में से थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालिए और प्लीज़ योग के लिए अवेयर होइए और 10 मिनट के ही लिए सही एटलीस्ट अपने मेंटल हेल्थ को ज़रूर दीजिए। योग को अगर मैं हटाती हूँ तो मैम और सर के साथ मेरा एक जो छोटा सा रोज़ का एक कॉफ़ी सेशन होता है वो मेरे यहाँ के क्लास का 1 घंटे में सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट होता है वो 10 मिनट का, कि 10 मिनट में हम लोग एक कॉफ़ी पीते हैं और हमारी रोज़ की एक अच्छी सी नई टॉपिक होती है कि अब हमें किस पे बात करना है। जो भी हमारी लाइफ में चल रहा होता है, जो भी यहाँ पे चल रहा होता है, और हम उस 10 मिनट में एक अच्छी कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे योग भी होता है, एक अच्छी कन्वर्सेशन भी होती है और एक अच्छी सी कॉफ़ी भी होती है।
आ जाओ भाई, कॉफ़ी
तो
रेडी है।
प्लीज़ चलिए।
कम बेबी।
गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू गाइस डूइंग? तो हमारी सुबह सम ऑफ यू माइट बी अवेयर, हमारी सुबह होती है थोड़ी सी डांट खा के कि उठो, योगा का टाइम हो गया है, प्लीज़ वेक अप, हाउ मच डू यू स्लीप? एंड देन आई वेक अप इन अ सेकंड, ऐसे दो नहीं मैं तो उठा हुआ था, मैं तो ऐसे ही बाय द वे लेटा हुआ था। एंड देन आई रन डाउन एंड देन वी डू आर योगा हियर। बहुत अच्छा योगा करते हैं। भाविया इन माई ओपिनियन हैज़ बीन instrumental in teaching me yoga because I don't think I would have gone towards yoga had it not been for her. I don't think I would have gone towards good life had it not been for her. And now I can't do without yoga. You know, she was traveling for the last 2 weeks or so, and I love yoga now so much that I did yoga every day. Coming back to this house morning routine. So just when we are about to finish our yoga, you know, we have this tray with all sorts of nuts, pine nuts, cashew nuts, hazelnuts,
macadamia nuts.
macadamia nuts. Yeah, thanks for telling me. I don't even know the names of these nuts. तो हम लोग ये यहाँ बैठते हैं and we try and eat something healthy with our coffee. Then we chill here, plan the day for the next 10-15 minutes, how we are going to go about the rest of the day. And then we go, get ready, and then we leave for the office. And once we leave for the office, we're going to show you a little of what happens in the office shortly.
This is only possible when the children are in school, because that's when we get this house quiet and peaceful. If it's a holiday, then it's crazy. Our workout is cut short, our nuts are all over the place. Basically we are going nuts. But yeah, this is a morning routine that we have created over the years, and we are still struggling with our sleep wake, but we are trying to get there. हम 9 बजे तक उठ जाते हैं, ये तो और जल्दी उठ जाते हैं क्योंकि बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना होता है, but yeah, I'm trying, and since I'm just back from Korea, I'm at Korea time, so I will not let this go, and I will now improve my waking up time. I'll start waking up at 7 in the morning. But yeah, I love this coffee session of ours after yoga, and then we have some nuts, we have some ये खाया तुमने?
Guys, these are essential vitamins.
Yeah,
every day.
we
There
have
is
some vitamins.
Omega-3, then there is some vitamin D, there is ashwagandha, and there is
Magnesium.
magnesium, and a couple of other things that you want. You must have
Yep.
vitamins.
Bye, Laddu. Bye, baby. Bye, baby. Bye, baby. Bye, bye. Good morning. तुम सो गई थी? बाय, मैं जा रही हूँ. अभी शाम को मिलेंगे, ओके? बाय.
आज तो मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा था. हर जगह लड़ाई है यार.
यार,
Everywhere.
really, मतलब it's like people want everybody to fight with each other. Why?
But you know, I figured if you want peace, na,
हाँ.
then you have to make the country rich. Rich countries, happy countries, don't fight because they are rich. So if you look at the example of Singapore,
Yeah.
rich, no fighting. Dubai, rich, no fighting. New Zealand, rich or relatively rich, not fighting.
सही कह रहे हो, गरीब ही लड़ते हैं आपस में.
Australia, rich. So when you have something to in life and something to look forward to, and livelihood is taken care of, and then you work very hard to maintain
Then
that.
people are busy in making a life for themselves. Na? They are not involved in these
And then you have
stupid
something
things.
to lose.
And in poor countries, people are only fighting because they have nothing better to do.
And it's very unfortunate that government, the administration allows that. I'm sure India is doing a good job at it. We are trying to improve there.
We are trying. APJ Abdul Kalam ने कहा था, big people use religion to build connections and for their personal growth. And small people use religion to belittle others and fight. Hello, looking nice in uniform, all of you. Very good. How's your academy going? Great. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Better than student. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you? Welcome to my academy. Please have a seat, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Oh wow, so many new faces. Hi everyone. आप लोग मुझे जानते ही हैं. Welcome to my academy. And आप लोग इन्हें भी जानते ही हैं.
So, a little about the academy and a little about Bhavya Kapoor. That's how I always start. ठीक है? ये academy 2012 में स्टार्ट हुई थी, बट ऑफिशियली वी हैड आवर फर्स्ट एकेडमी जब ये सीख रही थी मेकअप. जब इनको सैलून स्टार्ट करना था, इनको सीखना था, अनफॉर्चुनेटली लखनऊ में कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं था और कोई हेल्प नहीं थी. She decided at that time, we have been doing this orientation for every batch. So welcome again to Bhavya Kapoor Makeup Studio and Academy. Now I'll let Bhavya have a word with you.
Okay. Hi everyone. Thank you Aditya for always praising me. It was all not possible without him. As you all know, हम लोग एक साथ ही हर चीज़ करते हैं. So the idea was mine, but the execution of course happens when you have the support. Beauty and makeup is a very new career. जब हम छोटे थे, जब आप भी छोटे थे, तो ये करियर ऑप्शन नहीं था लोगों के पास कि ये करियर हो सकता है. बट हम लोग उस टाइम से आए हैं जब हमें उल्टा बोला जाता था कि तुम लोग मेकअप कर रहे हो. मैंने क्लास 9 में अपना हेयर कलर कराया था, मुझे क्लास से ही बाहर निकाल दिया था क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा ये बिगड़ी हुई लड़की है. सो माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीबडी इज़ कि आप लोग यहाँ पे एक दूसरे के साथ कंपटीशन करने नहीं आइए, आप लोग एक दूसरे से सीखिए. सो आई एक्सपेक्ट यू टू गिव अटमोस्ट रिस्पेक्ट to all the trainers here.
यहाँ पे मेन चीज़ मुझे बहुत जो अच्छी लगी है कि प्रैक्टिस करने बहुत मिलता है, विच इज़ रियली वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यहाँ पे बहुत प्रैक्टिस करने मिलेगा कि लगेगा नहीं कि अरे यार अब तो सीख लिया बट उसके बाद हम कर नहीं पा रहे.
प्रैक्टिस इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट. अभी भी आप लोग ने मेरे व्लॉग्स देखे होंगे जो मैं कोर्स करने गई थी. वी वर मेड टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू प्रैक्टिस हियर. डू नॉट मिस एनी प्रैक्टिस क्लासेस बिकॉज वही है जो आपको लॉन्ग रन में आगे ले जाता है. Or again, wish you all the best, and we will be distributing the makeup kits to the new ones now. Now I'm back to my office. Good afternoon everyone. How are you? I have a couple of meetings to take care of, तो जल्दी से उसको ख़त्म करके. You have to try these eye patches because they are like the best. It's like a black tea eye patch, and you put it on for like half an hour. It has collagen, it has hyaluronic acid. It's
So tell me,
really
you
nice.
went all the way to South Korea. I mean, you could have found this here. Why did you go all the way to South Korea for 2 weeks?
Good question. Because I had always heard about the ingredients that they use and the quality. You know, all the products over there are lab tested, and they have these ingredients which we haven't even heard of, like volcanic ash. So there is this place called Jeju over there, right? That has a volcano. They use the ash of that volcano in their skincare products because that has the minerals that you will find nowhere else in the world. Then they have stem cells. Plant stem cells is an old thing. The newest thing that they have is human stem cells. Can you imagine creams with human stem cells in it?
So you studied and learned about all this?
Of course I did, and the fact is that Korea, when it comes to skin, they are living in 2050. Like really, we've not even heard of the things that they are already applying and doing. And even the men over there, even the older women, they are all into skin. Like they really love taking care of themselves, which...
So you mean if you had not gone there, you would have not been able
Obviously
to learn
not, yeah. When you travel, then it gives you that exposure no matter how many videos you watch.
And this academy that you joined, good?
Amazing, it was very good. And one of the best in Seoul. But yeah, I mean, more than the academy, it was the networking, the meeting the people from all over the world. Like you know, right? I had so many people and they had so many things to share with me. So quite an enriching experience. Let's get back to work now. अब मेरी ब्राइड आ चुकी हैं. एक्चुअली ये मेरी नहीं, ये ब्राइड है फॉर मेकअप बाय टीम बीके. मैंने एक नई कैटेगरी लॉन्च करी है इन विच माई एंटायर टीम ऑफ गुड आर्टिस्ट, ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, दे आर गोइंग टू वर्क टुगेदर to create one look, और मैं भी उसका ही पार्ट हूँ. So this is the first bride in this category and we are all here trying to do our bit and trying to make her happy, and finally I think she is really happy with her makeup, and I am so excited because I love to work together with the team where there is no senior, no junior, no makeup artist, no hairstylist, just everybody trying their best to make the bride happy. I think that's what teamwork is all about, and I'm so glad I could finally start this. But with this now we can take 10, 15, even 20 makeups in a day because I have fantastic makeup artists with amazing work and a lot of experience. So today is the first makeup by Team BK. We have a new category of makeup here, which is makeup by my lovely girls and me. And this is our bride, Tina. How was your experience?
I love the makeup. Makeup is done by Harshita and hairstyle is done by Varsha. And मैम ने बहुत सारी सजेशन दी आईज मेकअप, लिप्स के लिए. मैं ज्वेलरी कुछ और लेकर आई थी और मैम ने मुझे हेल्प आउट की, गोमती नगर से दोबारा मंगा के हमें दिया.
Thank you, Tina. Your choice of outfit and your look is amazing and very different. Thank you for choosing us. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi guys, my mom was gone to Korea and she got me the skincare. So I'm just putting the mask now. I'm gonna remove it. And
How does it feel?
It's feeling very good. And now I am just going to put this.
Wait. Oh.
Put my moisturizer.
अभी नहीं Nia. अभी 10 minutes बाद, 5 minutes बाद. Let it penetrate into your skin.
And what is this?
What is this?
Spatula. Okay. So I'm just going to take some cream out in some time on the spatula.
Yeah, but how does your skin feel?
It's very nice.
Yeah, do you have the Korean glass skin
And
now?
guys, please don't put anything. This is just for kids.
Yeah, this is specially for kids. So don't put anything which is.
Tell in the comments, is this a real one or a fake one?
Now you've asked, everyone will know. Niya, spatula से नहीं लगाते हैं, spatula से निकालते हैं हाथ पे और फिर लगाते हैं fingers से.
No, this is a guys. This is a real banana and this is a fake mango.
So these are both.
Fake.
And what are you doing now?
This is real skincare.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
How does it feel? Mommy is back.
I feel on top of the world.
Anu, did Papa miss me?
Thoroughly.
Did he miss me?
Thoroughly.
He did. How do you know?
Because I kept telling him that I'm missing Mama.
Really?
Yes.
Who missed me the most?
Me.
Nia? Who missed me the most?
No. She did not even ask about you once.
You
She
did?
not once told me, please call Mama. Not once. Every time I called you, it was me who wanted to call you.
पापा
Hmm.
झूठ सही इतना भी झूठ सही काट लिए सारे ने
इतना भी झूठ सही नहीं है.
क्या झूठ बोला मैंने इसमें?
झूठ की लिमिट होती है and Papa has crossed it.
But guys, your dad took very good care of you. I know that.
Huh?
Huh?
Come on Papa, eat it. How's it taste?
Mm-hmm.
Mama मार रहे हैं. Come mommy, eat it.
See, क्या कर रही हो?
How's the taste?
हाँ.
How's the taste?
आगे नहीं करोगे?
Mama, Papa.
I know.
Come on, Mama, smell the banana.
छी, क्या कर रही हो?
Ayan.
ये केले और आम के पीछे पड़े.
Well, thank you for watching this vlog, guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.